Right now, I'd want to share with you the simplest way to make money on YouTube Shorts without ever showing your face, using your voice, or recording any of the videos yourself. I will be showing you some YouTube channels that literally started a couple of months ago with 0 subscribers and are now already over 1 million subscribers, that went from having $0 to now making over $100,000 every single month in pure passive income by establishing an online business through YouTube Shorts. And I will walk you through all the steps. Just be sure to stick to the end. And if you're new here, I post videos about making money online daily, so if you want to learn all of that for absolutely free, then consider subscribing. The niche that we are making YouTube Shorts is the football niche. Why? Because people enjoy watching football, and the digital products we want to offer through Shorts have good intent to buy. This channel, Fearin, is doing the same thing and has over 1.33 million subscribers. They only post football-related short videos every day. If I go to their most popular videos, see 57 million, 54 million, 53 million, and so on. And this channel was launched on July 7, 2021. In just 1 year, it had received 1.18 billion views. If I open their channel analytics, you can see that by uploading 41 shorts it gained 319 million views this month. Over the course of its lifetime, it has uploaded 193 short videos and had 1.18 billion views. Believe me, you just need 30 minutes to create this type of short video. You might think that, because this channel has 1 million subscribers, it has this many views. However, Charles Patrick has 22.9 thousand subscribers and only uploaded 89 shorts, gaining 13.5 million views, and by posting 6 shorts this month gaining 6.6 million views. So it is clear, if you start today and posting shorts consistently, you can also grow your channel like this. The most popular videos on this channel got millions of views, although it has just 22,000 subscribers. This proves that no matter how small a channel you have, you can still get millions of views on your shorts. Now let's see what is in this short video. This is a Neymar and Danny Alves funny moments clip. Now, if I open another short video, see, this is a video clip that shows how Lionel Messi goals. And think about it, are these video clips theirs? Obviously not. These are all the shorts that are not recorded by themselves. They just download a video, crop a moment, make a short video, and gain millions of views per month. But still, they don't get any copyright and make money. So, you don't need to worry about any copyright if you follow all the steps that I am showing in this video. Now, let's calculate how much we can earn if we get 6.6 million views on our channel. If we get 6.6 million views, which is easy to get, and if only 0.001% of these people buy our digital product, then we get 6,600 sales every month. Let's assume we get 6,000 sales, and our product value is only $20, then we can make more than $100,000 per month. And trust me, you can earn this much money by following this method. Now, for making this amount of money, first and foremost, we need to download football videos. Go to their most popular videos and gather title ideas from them. Let's suppose I'm looking for football crazy moments. YouTube will now show us all of the craziest football moments. Now you must filter these search terms by Creative Commons videos. YouTube Creative Commons allows you to easily use creative works to create your own videos. If you use these Creative Commons videos, you will not receive any copyright. This is basically a compilation of all the funny football moments. You may also search for almost anything. If I search for Cristiano Ronaldo's goals and then filter the results by Creative Commons videos, I'll get a lot of videos for making shorts. This video, as you can see, is all about Cristiano Ronaldo's best goals. So you don't have to be concerned about football video clips. All you have to do is download the video. You must go to this website named ytones.com to download this video. Simply copy the video link and paste it here, then click on Convert, then pick 1080 PHD size, and then click on the Get link to start downloading the video. Now come to the second step, which is editing our YouTube Shorts. For editing YouTube Shorts, you can use the online free tool canva.com. From Canva, you need to select the mobile video blank template. Then you need to upload the video from here. After uploading, simply drag and drop the video in the timeline, and then adjust the video according to the video timeline. Then you need to mute its audio, and it's mandatory, because if you use their audio, sometimes the audio owner gives you the copyright. After that, you need to trim the video to make a short between 15 to 30 seconds. For trimming the video clip, first, you need to see the full video, and then trim the most interesting part of that video. Here, I am doing it randomly. Okay, our 18-second short video is completed. Making a short video like this is quite simple. You must now upload background music. You may find this by searching for YouTube Audio Library, and you'll end up at this website where you may find royalty-free background music and sound effects for your videos. Simply listen to them and download them. The music should then be uploaded here. After uploading, drag that music and adjust it to the duration of your video. Okay, our background music is set perfectly. Then, as they do in their short videos, we need to add some text to describe what the video is all about. Simply click on the text and then create a headline. I'm writing about CR7's best goal here. Then we must create a background similar to theirs. To do so, go to the Effect option and select the text background effect. Then, to increase conversion, include product advertising text as well. You can write something like, buy a football t-shirt at the cheapest price, and include a link in the pinned comment and description. Then, add an arrow like this to indicate that you want to click on a pinned comment. Okay, our short video is now available for download. Simply download the video from Canva. Okay, our short video has been downloaded, and you can see a preview of it here. It will become more professional and interesting if you spend more time editing. You only need 30 minutes to create a short video like this, which you can do in your free time while listening to music. Now comes to most important step, which is the way of monetizing our shorts with digital products. I will show you how, but before that, if you feel you learned something new, consider subscribing to learn more. Basically, we're selling t-shirt designs through the print-on-demand website Teespring. Teespring is a free platform that lets you create and sell over 50 kinds of products with no upfront cost or risk. They handle everything, from printing to shipping to customer service, so you don't need to worry about anything. You must create this type of football-related t-shirt design and sell it through YouTube Shorts. People that enjoy football will go out of their way to get these kinds of football t-shirts, and they were just $21. Not only that, but you can also sell hoodies and other items. As you can see, this type of t-shirt design is already popular on Teespring. Just open that. This is a simple design. Simply click on Start Creating, and then fill out all of the information to create an account on Teespring. And if you're thinking, hey, I'm not a graphic designer, I can't do this type of design, think again. You don't have to be a graphic designer to start this pure passive income business model, but you will need some money. Simply search for t-shirt design on Fiverr.com, and you will find a variety of t-shirt design services provided by expert freelancers. If you have a tight budget, I suggest filtering the budget by $10, and Fiverr will show you all of the services that are under $10. Then you must choose seller details, top rated, and level 2 sellers whose services have been proven. Then click on Online Sellers, which displays all of the freelancers that are currently online. Then research for a service that offers custom t-shirt designs, has good ratings, and can complete this task for less than $10. So, you should contact the seller and ask whether they can give you with this type of football t-shirt design for $10. Hire them if they can design. And as you can see, their design is really professional. After you've collected some professional designs, you'll need to learn how to set up a Teespring store. There are a number of tutorials on Google where you may learn how to create it. So this is how you may earn from this type of football short. But I recommend you first upload 30 to 60 shorts, gain some views and subscribers, then create a Teespring online store and promote your t-shirts using YouTube Shorts and make pure passive income every month. That's it for now. If you want to know more ways of monetizing YouTube Shorts, you can watch the video shown on the screen, and make sure to like and subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification icon for future updates. See you in the next video.